Why is you crying? Why was you crying to come home?
Oh, I want to go to my cousin Maya's house again.
Why? What happened? What happened?
I hated that. All we was eating was cough drops. They have no food.
What you mean?
We was all hungry. This is all the cough drops we had. I even have one in my mouth right now.
So they had no food in their house?
No, they didn't. They didn't have no food.
So what Maya and them was eating?
Cough drops. We
Girl,
was all eating cough drops.
girl, take that cough drop out your mouth. Let me call her, because that is... So,